Hello everyone, I'm Jessica Beck, and today we are going to talk about reading tips to help you get the score you need on IELTS. Our strategies have helped hundreds of students get past IELTS and on to their dreams, just like Rachel and Renata and Lucas and the countless others who have gotten 9s on their reading exam. Let me say that again, 9s on the reading exam with our 3 keys strategies. So listen up today, you guys. And if you're ready to learn the complete system, go to allearsenglish.com/KEYS. Okay, let's get into it. So I'm gonna split this up into 2 ways. Okay, because if you're getting a 5.5 or a 6 on reading, you need to strengthen your comprehension first. Okay, so depending on how much time you have before your exam, I would say take 2 to 4 weeks to just strengthen your reading in general, okay? So we need to do this with a variety of resources. Newspapers, but read articles from different sections, not just the ones you like. You need to read a wide variety of topics. Okay, but not just newspapers. Those are very important for IELTS, but guys, get into a novel. Find a magazine that you really like in English. We have recommendations for those on our website, IELTS.allearsenglish.com. We have recommendations for all this stuff. So novels, magazines, newspapers, comic books. I love comic books. There's a video on this channel where I recommend comic books. And also blogs. Right? Everybody is blogging these days. Read blogs. So my point is, guys, you need to read every day for at least 20 minutes to improve your overall comprehension before you tackle the reading strategies. Okay? Now, as far as the strategies go, the 3 skills you need: skimming, scanning, reading for detail. Okay? There's no time to read every word on IELTS. You need strategies like skimming. You should be skimming the passage for 1 minute before you even look at the questions. Okay, that is a vital step that a lot of students are skipping. And scanning, you guys, this is how you find the answer. This is an imperative IELTS skill, but you need to know which answers are in order and which answers are not in order, because you cannot waste time scanning from the beginning of the passage for every question, right? If answers are in order, you don't have to go back to the beginning. You just go back to the last answer you found. So you have to know which answers are in order and not in order, okay? And then the third way we read is reading for detail. Now this is the comprehension part, right? But again, you can't read the whole thing, and you have to know for each question how much you should read. So like most completion questions, you only have to read 1 sentence carefully to get the answer. But yes, no, not given questions, those ones you often have to read 2 sentences to get the answer. So you have to know the ins and outs of all the strategies, you guys. That's what we give you in 3 Keys IELTS, okay? And that's why so many of our students have gotten 9s. I'm amazed. But definitely write down all the information that I told you today so you can do more research into these tips, because these are all how you will get that 9 on reading. Okay, guys, let me remind you about our upcoming webinar. It's not about IELTS, but it is about having natural conversations in English. It is called How to Become a Conversation Magnet in 60 Days. It's going to be amazing. You're going to get vocab, topics, actual outlines for conversations. This is gold, you guys. So, and it's free, more gold. So go to allearsenglish.com/magnet. MAGNET. Sign up for September 24th or September 25th for this webinar. Okay, guys, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, hit subscribe right now and then automatically hit share so we can help more people achieve their IELTS scores. Okay, that's it for me today. I hope you are having a delightful day, a delightful week, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bonus tip, get a 7 or higher with the All Ears English app, featuring exclusive bonus video lessons with Jessica, Lindsay, and Michelle. Get the app now at allearsenglish.com/app.